Hello students, today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 9, It's Raining. Here is one story. Let's read the story. Appu eats bananas. Appu likes bananas very much. Here Appu is a elephant. He likes bananas. He plucks and eats bananas from the trees every day. One day he saw that the banana trees were drooping. Droopy means dry. It had not rained for a long time. I must get water in my trunk, said Appu. He started walking towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. He bathed his body with his trunk. Next picture, look at this picture. Then he carried water in his trunk and poured it on the banana trees. As soon as the banana trees got water, they became alive. Appu said, "From now, I will get water for you every day. After all, you also give me ripe and tasty bananas." Is it a good story? No? And here there is one poem also. Let's read this poem. White and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Dogs, deers, elephant, horse. Sometimes they look like deers. By running here and there, the clouds arrive. In moments they come. In moments they go. Sometimes not seen for months. Sometimes they freeze and go weeks they stay. The clouds arrive. Sometimes they roar. Sometimes they pour. Sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors in a rainbow of wonder. And sometimes they hail. Then trees shed the leaves. The clouds arrive in a magic pack, white and black. Who is the poet? Harish Nigam. It's a Gujarati poem. In this poem, we are saying about clouds. What are the color of clouds? White and black. The clouds look like dogs, deers, elephant, horse. And the clouds arrive. In moments they come and they go. Sometimes not seen for months. Sometimes they look like freeze. For weeks they stay. Sometimes they roar. The roar means they making noise, thunder. Sometimes they pour. Pour means raining. Sometimes they thunder. Sometimes they spreading colors. That is rainbow. Rainbow is a wonder. Sometimes they hail. Then trees shed leaves. The clouds arrive in a magic pack, white and black. It's nice poem. The following picture shows some activities. Tick the activities that you enjoy doing on a rainway and cross the others. Walking in the rain with an umbrella or wearing raincoat. Okay, we are enjoying walking in rain with an umbrella and wearing raincoat. Yes. Enjoy drinking hot tea and eating snacks at home. Yeah, tick. Eating burger while roaming outside in the rain. No. Flying kite. No. Painting outdoors. No. Stay indoor and watching the rain from the window. Yes. Play with friends in the rain. Wearing raincoat, we can play with the friends in the rain. Tick. Here given, read the clues given below to complete the crossword. Number 1, it is carried over the head to get protected from the rain. What is that? Umbrella. It is a small pool of water formed after the rain. Puddle. 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 Rain for a short duration of time, that is shower. Shower. It brings rain. What brings rain? Cloud, clouds. It is worn to avoid getting wet in the rain. What we wearing? Raincoat, raincoat, raincoat. It is a band of colors seen after the rain. What is that? Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow.